Yeah, so here, these are the potatoes that we just harvested from the field. Now they're gonna go, this is the starting point of our wash line. So we're getting them on this belt and they're gonna get dunked into the washer. So now we're at the stage where the potatoes have been washed. So this machine will run 15 tons of potato per hour. It sizes them and it also grades them based on different diseases. So it actually takes 30 pictures of every potato as it's going by. And then at this area, all the good potatoes are heading that way. And then the cull is getting sent that way and outside.